I could go out in the dark, I see you calling my name. I hear you shouting, hear you calling, but it's not the same. Every word that you are throwing right into my back doesn't matter to me, cause I'm keeping my track. Let me go, let me go, let me go. Stop talking, let me go. Our time together always ended up in war. Every whisper made you jealous, and that from the start. It is nice to see you shouting out for throwing me out. No excuse.
Good morning, everybody. So, the Queen's passed away. R.I.P. May you rest peacefully. Putin has mobilised 300,000 more troops. The cost of living's never been so high. But life is great. What's there to be miserable about, eh? So, yeah, I am driving into London again. That's also a positive. Oh dear. I feel like I'm losing my mind at the moment. Like, the amount of time I'm spending in traffic lately is just astronomical. I don't understand how people do this every single day. And I'm doing it every day, but I'm getting to a breaking point, if I'm quite honest with you. I mean, it could be worse. It could be a lot worse, I suppose. But, yeah. Oh, what on earth has happened up ahead? Big puff of smoke. And more traffic. I'm not even in London yet. I'm literally just coming, not even at Dagenham yet. Just coming down the A13 past Purfleet. And it is standstill. I wish I had my other camera on so I could show you this. It has it on. But yeah, standstill. As far as I can see. I mean, it is 8 o'clock and I'm trying to go London bound, so what would you expect, eh? Anyway, how's your life? My camera just fell off the window. Oh, it just sums up my day, that does. Yeah, I'll talk to you in a bit, guys. Aha! Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Truck It Proud. I hope you can hear me. Microphone. Stick that on there. So yeah. Another day. Just all finished. Just been to Battersea. On my way back to Set Yard, as I like to say. And I'm having an accident there. Jesus. Just cut in front of people. Silly people. So as you can probably see, I don't know, you might just be able to see out the side there, I am in standstill traffic at the Dartford Tunnel. What a surprise, you may say. I know, never traffic at the Dartford Tunnel, is there? If you know, you know. If you're from somewhere else, then you probably don't know what the hell I'm talking about. So there is a tunnel that goes underneath the Thames. If you don't know what the Thames is, there's a river that goes down from London out to the sea. And this is the only way of getting from one side to the other, unless you want to go all the way around the other side, which would take about 2 hours. To be fair, it'll probably take about 2 hours just to get through the tunnel. Why does everybody want to insist on ringing me when I'm doing a vlog? Anyway, I'll catch up with you guys in a minute. I need to take this call. So, sorry about that. So yeah, what was we at? I was just telling you about the Dartford Tunnel, wasn't I? How glorious it is. Yeah, I'm literally pretty much about 100 yards further along than when I last spoke to you, so it's going well. I feel like I'm becoming a bit moany at the moment. I am aware of this. It probably is the fact that the traffic lately has been a lot worse than it usually would, so yeah, I do apologise about that. Most of my work has been in London as well of recent, so yeah, it does start to take a little bit of a mental toll on you in terms of sanity. Like, the amount of concentration and awareness that it takes compared to any other sort of driving is hard to explain unless you've done it. And if you have done it, you're probably shaking your head right now going, yeah, I know what you mean. It is mind-boggling. Yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, rant over. How are we all? So it's been what is it today? Friday. I'm finishing at a reasonable time today, so I can't complain. Well, I would have been if I'm calling this, but no, it should still be reasonably. It's not a 6-7 o'clocker like we've had some days this week, but yeah, so I'm happy about that. I'll be honest with you guys, the content has been a bit slow, should we say, and I don't know, maybe there's something you guys would like me to do as a video. I don't know, maybe put out some ideas of different parts of the industry that you would like to find out about, maybe something something you want to know that might be helpful to you. Yeah, just let me know in the comments. Obviously I appreciate all your feedback, and basically what keeps me going really is obviously just, yeah, having this platform to sort of communicate and show people what I do. So yeah, thank you for sticking with me, even if the content hasn't been as glamorous as recent past videos, should I say. But yeah, I will get back into it and start doing some more, let's say, practical stuff in terms of some of the manoeuvres and reverses that I do. Just haven't really felt in the mood for it. I think we all go through these stages, whether you're a truck driver or just generally in life, where you just have those sort of I can't be bothered sort of moods. And I think if you've seen any of my other videos, there's a lot of factors to this. Like, there's not really a lot going wrong in my life, so I'm quite lucky in many ways. But I think just the general feeling of everybody right now is because of what's going on in the world, and how just everybody seems to be getting more and more in debt, and yeah, it's a bit doom and gloom, let's put it that way. Delve into it too much, but yeah, all you can do is keep calm, carry on, as we say in England. I'm probably going to stop rambling now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. Like I say, anything you want to see or know, let me know. See you in the next one. So, for yous that don't know and have never seen it before, ahead of me is the QE2 Bridge. Very relevant actually right now. Queen Elizabeth II Bridge, known for short, as I just said a second ago, the QE2 Bridge. So 4 lanes coming over the bridge, 4 lanes going through the tunnels, 2 separate tunnels, 2 lanes each tunnel. Yeah, it's the bane of my life. Funny enough, little fun facts for you, my great granddaddy helped build the first tunnel, which was, I'm not 100% sure, late 60s, 70s I believe. Could be wrong, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's around that sort of time. So yeah, that's a little bit of family history for you, if you care. Probably don't, but I thought I'd share anyway. We've got a lovely Vosa sitting on the side of the road here, next to the tunnel. Got a straight face on, don't look suspicious. Probably look more suspicious because we're trying not to look suspicious. You know, I think, do you guys ever do that? You know, when you go past a police car and you're not doing absolutely anything wrong, there's nothing illegal that you've done within probably ever. You go past a police car and you're like, oh, don't look at them, don't look at them. I don't know what that is. I think even police officers do it when they're off duty and they go past police cars themselves. I suppose it's just one of those things. I mean, there's probably people that go past but don't give an absolute. But yeah, there we are. There's the man getting in his car. Hello. Goodbye. Don't pull me over, even though everything's totally legal. Yeah. I just want to go home. It's Friday. The old Escort cars over there, they take the tankers through. So if you've never been down here before, I don't know, maybe you come in a petrol tanker, just so you know, you have to come off at the last exit there and then go queue up there over on the left and wait for an escort to take you through, which is rather annoying to us normal drivers because we have to stop at the traffic lights and let you through. You know, I understand why, but it's just inconvenient, especially at rush hour. Oh, drives me insane at rush hour. Here we go. Exciting stuff, guys, into the tunnel. Whee!